So now let's see how we can change settings for a particular calendar inside of Google Calendar. So over here you can see that I have a calendar maintained, and if I want to change the setting for a particular calendar, I can go around into settings menu right here. Once I do that, I can go around over here onto settings, and then over here on the left side, you can select the calendar you want to change the settings for. So in my case, I'm going to go for my personal calendar, and I can change the name of the calendar. Let's say, for example, you can go around, change that to 222, and you can add in a description to your calendar as well. So let's say this is my channel right here. So over here, you can choose like time zone right here as well and so forth. You can set your primary time zone as something else as well if you want to. But in my case, I don't want to change that. So over here, you can see that you have option to export out calendar right here. You can even make the calendar public if you wish. Over here, you can add in people to share out your calendar with different people as you wish. You can change the event notification right here. So you can like add notification and add default notification like 10 days before the event over here onto this particular calendar. You can also add an all-day event notification. Let's say, for example, you want email 1 day before for all of your all-day event notification. You can add it out. And all the settings that you change out just applies to this particular calendar. So over here, you can see that there's other notification as well. There's new events right here. You can email, or if you don't want anything, then you can press none. Someone invites you to an event or something, then you actually get an email. So you can set the option for email or not according to new events, change events, canceled, even responses, and daily agendas. So over here, you can see that you can also integrate your calendar. So you have the calendar IDs right here, which you can share. There's public URL that you can share. There's iframe option given to you, and there's public iCal format given to you as well. You even have option to delete out the calendar at the end. And those are the settings that you can change for a particular calendar inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.